Ryan here. Silly reviews. These 4K digital night vision binoculars are awesome. I'm going to show you a quick demo. We're going to do an unboxing, then we're going to take it outside. So as you can see here, I'm in the bathroom with the lights on. Now keep in mind, there's a fixed optical zoom at 10x. That's where it starts. And we're in a lit bathroom. I'll turn the lights off in just a second. Okay, now we're in total darkness. Night vision is activated. 7 different levels of infrared. And the infrared works so well, especially when you tweak your manual focus on the lens. You can read things, and you can read things from far away, even pretty close up. It works really, really well. I'm so impressed. Let's go ahead. Let's unbox this thing. This is what it looks like when it arrives. Night vision binoculars, lots of accessories included. You can get this on Amazon. I have a 20% off link in the description, which is going to be great. It's going to be super great. This is what the box looks like at all angles. Really nice. This would make a great Christmas gift. Somebody who's an outdoorsman, a hunter, would really like this. 10x optical, digital zoom 8x. It's got a 3-inch screen, 40 meg pictures, 4K resolution, but you can adjust that, go down if you want to save space. Included, there is a 32 gig micro SD. This is the camera carrying case, really nice. That is your micro SD to USB plug you get with that. This is going to be a generous of length USB-C charging cable. We've got the carrying strap. We've got the microfiber cleaning cloth. We've got the instruction manual right there. Now, if somebody bought one of these and they lost their instruction manual, maybe they can find this video and you can kind of pause it and you could read through the instruction manual. If you lost yours, sometimes that can be really helpful. There's also a quick start guide. Now, I've gotten myself very familiar with this camera. It is intuitive. The menus are intuitive, and it flat out works. You need to remember that you can fine tune your focus. You have to do that manually. Your little camera case right there, that's really nice. It's a perfect fit. It has room where you can put a few accessories in it, in the little compartment, the little pouch. This is the camera. It does feel of good quality. It's not super heavy, but the price is right on this for how it works. There's your 6 operating buttons at the top. One thing that isn't intuitive is it looks like binoculars, except you don't look through those. You look through here. You're going to look through the screen where you think your right and left eye are. One of them, that's the lens for the camera with the manual focus. The other one, that one right there, no manual focus, is for the infrared. Those are the infrared sensors. Really, really nice. Let's see if I can show you the menu. We've got a howling wolf animation on there, which is really cool. And you'll want to get this thing set up when you order one. You want to set the date and time if you want to keep that on the screen, keep your files organized. A little bit hard to see at the desk with the lights on, but you have your different buttons. That's your menu button. If you hold it down, the menu is intuitive. It makes sense. It's easy enough to use. You can set your default quality of video, quality of pictures. But we'll say goodbye with the wolf right there, and we need to take this thing outside. But before we do, I do recommend using a stand for your camera to keep it still, because it is starting with 10 times optical zoom. Then you can even add the digital zoom. The more still you can be, the better. You can see we're outside now. I have mine on a nice tripod, Amazon Basics tripod. This is what we're going to be looking out into when the sun finishes going down. Maybe we'll catch a deer, rabbits, something like that. We're going forward now. It is dark outside, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to get going with this. And the infrared works. You'll be impressed. And if you stick with me through this, we're going to go from third person to first person, and I'll show you some video that actually gets recorded onto the SD card, which will be your saved file. But I'm just kind of showing you how it looks when you're using it, right? So there's like a storage shed outside. You can see it. And man, when you tweak the manual focus and you get things just right, you'll be stunned at the clarity. You really will be. In just a moment, we're going to go ahead and go to the actual footage. Okay, the actual footage. This is what it would look like when you're standing at your camera. That's a chicken coop right there. Got a rooster in there and some hens. They lay eggs and they go cocky-doodly-doo. Now this is the actual footage recorded on the night vision digital binoculars, the 4K. This is what gets saved on the memory, and I had saved this at 1080p. And keep in mind, I am holding the binoculars, so it is going to be a little shaky. I broke my tripod, believe it or not, the night before. But again, and I'm not fooling too much with the focus, but the focus does work. I was already picking up great images. You can see everything clearly. Cinder blocks, garbage can, step stool, dolly, hand truck. There's that chicken coop again, right? They must have turned in for the night. And again, keep in mind, it's only shaky because you really should use a tripod, especially when you're going to put the digital zoom on top of that optical zoom. But this VisioGEAR Nova 4K night vision binoculars, discount link in the description. Super impressive. I gave it 2 thumbs up.
Hit subscribe, stay tuned. More laughs coming soon. Join the crew.